This talk is dedicated to Jonathan Rockaway. Okay, this talk is called Room, and Jean by Ingy.net. I am Ingy.net, or sometimes Ingy.net, or Ingy.net, or Ingy.net, or Ingy Hot Springs Net, or Ingy.net, but you can call me Mr. Net. Any questions? Okay, I like giving Perl talks, and I hate writing slides, but I like writing slide software. But I hate using the browser, but I love using Vim. I've decided that everything's going to be done in Vim from now on. So I created Room. Every Yapcasia, I've created a new slide software. Let's see, first I created Sport, and then Sporkahashi, that's pronounced Sporkahashi. And now I've created Room, and it's on CPAN as Room. It's actually on CPAN as Room because Marcel tried to install this Room, and it said, the shell said that I cannot install Tim Broom. There's a man named Tim Broom on CPAN. Okay, this is the funniest error of the day. Deep recursion on 17 Broom. That gives us lib Broom.pm line 47. Okay, so Broom is nice to second run code samples. I just hit the capital R and it runs this pQuery sample that I showed earlier. It's just like jQuery for Perl. So I do that and that goes and gets the Google page of Anki and prints out for something. It's pretty cool. Check out pQuery. But I have to continue. Okay, so I'm going to show you slides that Broom. I think I can just go here and hit the E key. So this whole slideshow was generated with this thing. This was just some notes. I skipped that. I center all this stuff. I come down here. I animate the bullet points with this stuff. And I show Perl by saying, here's Perl, and indent this 10 spaces, etc., etc. It's pretty cool. And then I just type Room minus Room from the command line, and it basically divides this out into a bunch of files, but yeah, no time for that. So, okay, Jean-Bay. Whenever I come to actually Tokyo for the last 5 years, I always go to Taiwan before and after. I used to be in Taiwan, so I didn't have to actually come here, but I have to come here. And anyways, I'm trying to learn a little Chinese. Of course, to learn Chinese, you need Perl. If you're me, you need Perl to learn Chinese. So I created the Zhang shell. Zhang stands for Zhang Wen, shell stands for some kind of shellfish, and it looks like that. And it's all in zhangbei.pm. So I'm going to show it to you. Okay. So there's the script. Just use Zhang shell and then run it. I'm going to actually do that. So this is pretty cool. I can come down here, and I have a vimrc file that just takes the word I'm on. When I hit enter, it goes over there, and I go back here, and I go to these categories, look under animals, and then check out cow. And then this is all actually scraped off a web page using pQuery again, and then it gets put into this file, but I don't really want to learn all these words for cow because I'm not that far along, so I just hide all these with the animal and go back. And it's pretty cool, of course. I save files as English, also as Chinese, and you can see down here. Let me just show you. Okay, so here's the module. Just use a little UTF-8, and you can use your package names in Chinese. I have some file names in Chinese. Use a little bit in encode thanks to Bankoga, and a little bit of pQuery thanks to Ingy. A little YAML XS thanks to Ingy, a little IOL thanks to Ingy, a little XXS thanks to Ingy. Me and Dan. And yeah, so you can start coding in Chinese. It's pretty cool. I'm sure you guys could probably code in Japanese. I'm going to try uploading this to CPAN tonight and see what breaks. So that's my idea.